For me, papahinga muna ako ngayon. Then, I think until this December, pahinga muna ako and then I don't know what's next. Hindi ko pa alam.
Yung Korea, may katasayan.
For now, ayaw mo na isipin na pahinga muna talaga ako kasi 8 months na ako nag-basketball. Tuloy-tuloy straight. Yun lang.
Any parting message na sinabi mo sa akin?
Sinabi ko lang, mahal ko sila lahat. As a leader, isa sa leader sa team. Wala akong masabi. We fought hard. Medyo kinapos lang.
Okay, King, you sat out during sa clutch minutes ng game. Was there any what if to you or you just
What if? Wala naman. Tiwala naman ako kay Coach Topic ever since day one. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng yun dun sa inupo ako kasi akala ko 1 minute lang. Sinabihan ako ng 1 minuto lang. Pero wala problema sa akin. Pero ayun nga, kapos talaga, talo is talo. Move on na.
Kevin, what can you say na fell short but still a good year? And what can you say about your teammates who will be either with you, playing with you, or you'll be watching them aside?
I'm proud of all my teammates. Yung hard work na ginawa nila since day one. Grabe, kasi sobrang dami namin pinagsamahan throughout the off-season, the whole season. Basta mahal ko silang lahat. Excited ako ano yung future holds and then excited ako na nandiyan na sila Kian Baka at Jacob Cortez and sila Luis Pablo Mason.
Kakampunin mo ba sila next year?
I don't know, pero for sure they will be scary next season.